Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
Let's do it together. Let me see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey
Hi
guys,
guys,
welcome
your
back to
girl
my channel. This is
Fortress
your
back
boy
again with
Steve.
another video. So in today's video, as you can see, it's a collab between two YouTubers, Fortress Johnson and
Fritz Jr. guys.
today we are in Comerica. Don't just come to Comerica and just go empty-handed without making you guys happy. So today we are going to pull a prank on a fellow YouTuber. You know, like there's a YouTuber's gang. So we are pulling a prank on him. That's what we're going to do.
I'm going to call him and then tell him to come.
I'll pretend to be sick and then I'll ask him to go and buy me something. So when he leaves and then I end up, you know, acting extremely PDA with his friend, I'll tell his friend I'm into him. I've been in love with him for a very long time and I took the opportunity to come all the way to Kumasi for him. And then we're going to see how it goes. Like, we have two reactions. It's either he's going to fall for it or he's going to push me away. So we are ready for him. Either way he comes, like, we know how we are going to do it. This prank is going to be very, very extreme. So, like, guys, relax and watch out. He's coming. I don't know how I'm going to behave. Like, hopefully it works, yeah. Look at my face, like I was in the mood to just piss somebody off. I was in a stubborn mood. It's more like stubborn mood activated. So he came in and then we exchanged pleasantries. He happened to be a very nice guy. Somebody is falling already. No, I'm not falling. No. So unfortunately for me, this guy came in with a very bad mood. It's like he had a bad day at work, so it was almost affecting our prank. But I told you that this prank, I came fully prepared. Anyway, this guy passed, I'll pass. So I figured out that seducing him wouldn't be a good idea. Imagine seducing somebody who has had a very bad day. They might end up hitting you or something. Like, the vibe would just not be there. So I ended up vibing with Fritz Jr. and then we were able to communicate very fast and then we changed the whole prank. So next prank loaded. And honestly, I think that the second prank is more than what we even planned to do in the beginning. But you know, I know, so when it comes to prank, I like being stubborn, so just vibe.
Guys, I feel like it's not going to work because his mind is hot. So I'm going to change the whole prank here. I'm going to be coughing out blood. This is food color. So I'm going to be coughing out blood and hopefully it works. So I'm going to be coughing into the tissue and hopefully they fall for it because it's like, one, he's in a hurry to go somewhere, and then two, his mind is very hot. So when I try to seduce him, it won't work. So let's work with the blood. I'm gonna wear something longer. Yeah, let's do this.
So I changed my shorts into something longer. Obviously, I'm no longer seducing and I need to look decent. And I post it what's up. So that is food color. I got this food color from Set Fine Films Factory. So I got the idea to do this blood prank. That's where I got the whole idea from. So it's more or less like, it's a powder. You just pour the powder anywhere you want, maybe in your clothes. Just add some water, but some people add starch to make it a little bit realistic, but I didn't have starch, so I just poured the food color on the tissue, added water, and I was good to go. Like, being stubborn is fun. I don't know about you guys, but once in a while you have to be stubborn to release stress. It's good, you should try it. So as you can see, it looks like raw blood, but if you come very close to it, you notice that it's actually pinky instead of red. So I was actually worried. Guys, see how this stomach is nice. It tasted a little weird, but it wasn't bad. Yeah, I like this one though. So I started coughing to actually draw the attention that my supposed nose was getting worse, and it worked. I'd already planned with Fresh Junior, so when he came, his reaction was really more hilarious. Look at the way he's saying here, like he doesn't even know what's happening. If I knew, like I should have pranked Fresh Junior first before pranking somebody else. He would have freaked out, like taking somebody's shout to compassion and the person ends up falling sick. I should have thought of that earlier. On the road though, I really took this blood prank to the next level. Look at the way I was acting all serious, coughing like meanwhile, his friend was waiting for us in the bedroom, acting all worried, thinking, I don't know what was wrong with him, but for a moment, the way he was behaving, like he was in a hurry to leave us in the room, I don't know, he was scared. He thought I had coronavirus because of the way I was coughing. I started coughing out blood. This guy, can you imagine that he went to the extent of even wearing a nose mask? I didn't even know till I was editing. I was like, damn, you're wearing a nose mask, like I don't have corona now. So that's the part I'm talking about. See, he's wearing nose mask, so he's scared. As you can see, the prank really went well. We got his attention, we got his reaction. But I don't know how the seductive prank would have gone though. Maybe we would have fallen. Maybe we'll try that on a different person and see how it works. So like, you all watch out. I might do it to any of you. Don't I'm seducing you, just behave like a wood. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, else the whole world will see you. So he was in a hurry to leave actually. It's like the whole world is on top of his shoulders. Wow, see, he didn't even waste any time crying. This guy, pa. So, assuming I really had corona for real, he would have just ditched me in Kumasi. He's an unromantic guy. So after he left, we started laughing at him like, for real, coronavirus. This guy, pa. So we called him back, and then as usual, he started telling us that it was a prank. He didn't fall for the prank. You know what you guys normally do after we get you and stuff? That's like your brother in prank. So we called him back and had a good laugh.
But you didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know.
That wasn't the original prank, but Obaya was the original one won't work. So we just diverted.
So, what you
What? Was I videoing?
That is working. The boy is eyes is working. But enough. Oh, me there. Misro. No, but I found. So, you see, this is how it is.
That's how it is. That's how it is.
Don't never agree, say the prank way.
But this guy here, or you like on a regular basis, this guy is. No, what you know, what is it? What you? Like I was sorry for now.
Oh, first one, then Caribbean.
I was sorry for you. So Achu,
Achu.
Achu.
That's it. If you were worried in the first place whether it was real blood or it wasn't real blood, you know. Yeah. Did I prank? They end up telling me they knew it was a prank.
Guys, I didn't know.
You didn't know.
But when you were in trouble, when my machine, I know that. Until anytime we become a cat, I say, "Can I chat about one?" Mujana,
He's happy. You know he's happy.
No, it's nice. You want to tell us to do? How do you feel like for the salary? So like, let's get help.
Ashimio.
Hospital, yeah. No, but the way I do it here is all out, bro. That's just like how we got him, guys, we got him the flower. And
So guys, thank you for watching today's episode. We got you in the next episode. See ya.